approximately 4 million pounds. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to spot supercars in central London. So let's see what we can spot today. It's a quite dull day. It's a very cloudy day today. I hope it doesn't stop the cars coming out. So let's see what we can spot today. So first spot of the day we have a Ferrari 430 Scuderia. Yeah, pretty decent. Pretty blue color. Alright, so we have a 296 GTB with a beautiful colorway. It changes color on different angles. Look at that, what a beautiful color. Wow. And over here there is an Italia 458 Italia. Looks pretty nice. We have got a Ferrari Pista. Alright, so the Ferrari Pista is parked right in front of me. Aston Martin DBX. The same owner has a Ferrari SP2 Monza, a Bugatti Chiron Supersport, and many other hypercars. Today guys, I had to wear my V0 on and a cup of hot coffee as well. But however, there are two Ferraris right in front of me. A Ferrari 12 Cilindri and an A12 Superfast. It's always cool to see a LaFerrari around London, approximately 4 million pounds. I hope we see more of these type of cars in summer. Yep, please subscribe to my channel and you'll see amazing content coming up soon. And over here we have a Lamborghini Huracan and a Ferrari 458 Pista. Okay, Novitec Pro Sangway. Yup, that's Novitec exhaust, very loud. Very pretty spec on the Ferrari 812 Superfast, especially the black stripe in the front. This is a badass looking M4 competition, guys. Some carbon fiber body kits. Split. Oops. A little bit damage. As you go down here, look at the carbon fiber spoiler. Yep, this thing is sick. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked my video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, guys.